Hello students, मैं BL Sharma, Maths Sub. In continuation of the chapter Statistics of Class 10th Mathematics, this is part 7. In this part, we shall be discussing about how to find out the missing frequencies or frequency, right? So, without wasting time, I'm taking some questions for you. So this is question number 1, students. Please read this question carefully. It is given in this question that the following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency. Student, it is already given that the mean, that is 18. And here we have to find out the missing frequency, that is F. So let us start for this. The class interval given 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, 23 to 25. आपने देखा होगा जब हम मीन फाइंड आउट करते हैं तो हमें ये कॉलम बनाने होते हैं fi, xi, देन fi एंड xi. हम इसको डायरेक्ट मेथड से फाइंड आउट करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Corresponding frequencies are already given, that is 7, 6, 9, 13, F, 5 and 4. And now the class marks means mid value of the class, means lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, 11 plus 13, that is 24, divided by 2, that is 12. 13 plus 15, that is 28, divided by 2, that is 14. 15 plus 17, 32, 32 divided by 2, that is 16. 17 plus 19, that is 36, divided by 2, this is 18. 19 plus 21, 40, 40 divided by 2, that is 20. 21 plus 23, that is 42, 44, divided by 2, this is 22. 23 plus 25, that is 48, divided by 2, that is 24. तो ऐसे हमें इस कॉलम में क्लास मार्क फाइंड आउट कर लेना चाहिए, जैसे कि हम सारे मीन में हमने फाइंड आउट किया है. एंड क्लास मार्क कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? लोअर लिमिट प्लस अपर लिमिट डिवाइड बाय 2. नाउ we multiply fi by xi, so 7 into 12, that is 84. 6 into 14, that is also 84. 9 into 16, that is 144. 13 into 18, that is 234. F into 20, that is 20f. f यहाँ पे एक वेरिएबल है तो 20f आएगा, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो. And 5 into 22, that is 110. And 4 into 24, that is 96. क्या हमारे पास फॉर्मूला था मीन का? We know the formula for the mean is that mean is equal to total of f and h divided by total of f. So here, student, what is sum of all the frequencies here? You can find out the frequencies here. That is, you all please find out the sum of the frequencies. That is sum of the frequencies, and here sum of fi xi also. So 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 13 plus f plus 5 plus 4, आप इनको ऐड करेंगे तो ये आएगा f plus 44 and 84 plus 84 plus 144 plus 234 plus 110 plus 96 plus 20f. So this will be 20f plus 752. Now we are already given that the median is equal to, the median is given to us, that is 18. So right here median, the formula for the median is, sorry, it is not median, it is mean. So mean is equal to total of Fixi upon total Fi. Means given 18, that is 20f plus 752 upon f plus 44. Using cross multiplication, you can find out the value of f. You can write here 18 into f plus 18 into 44, that is 28, 20f plus 752. So again, we can write 20f minus 18f, that is, sorry, it is 792. This is 792. Please make it correct. इसको ठीक कर लीजिएगा. ये जो sum है, that is no.